knew the hair appointment wasn't today and that you don't pick up clients. So that's why she assumes the worst between you guys.
He has clients all over the United States. So it's our concern based on the information that we have that he does travel to do the hair and the hairstylist for, I guess, A-list celebrities. So it's our concern that he has the means to travel outside of the state of Florida. And
he's going to travel to cut hair.
Yes, Your Honor, in places.
Style hair. So how is that a danger to the community?
Well, considering that his clients can range from apparently 13-year-olds to whatever age, we are concerned that the same way that he was engaging in sending photos of his penis to this 13 or 15-year-old girl and attempting to pay her for sex.
So, Mr. I'm Detective Ferrer, okay?
How are you?
Hi. I know, not as good as you are right now. Okay, I know what's going on. It's frustrating, intimidating, but there is a lady that came to the police station just shortly before we met with you, and she made some allegations against you, something that involved her daughter.
Okay.
So it's just allegations what we have right now.
Okay.
So, yes, they are serious because it's a minor and you're an adult, okay? I always offer the person an opportunity to explain themselves. If you have a story to tell me. If you don't, that's fine. Then I just have to take a little bit longer, continue my investigation, and then I make a determination what's going to happen tonight, okay? So it's all up to you. If you want to talk to me today, or if you don't want to talk to me, it's your right, okay?
Who is that person?
I can't talk to you until I read you your rights.
Okay.
Okay? Usually what I do first, I just get basic information, first, last name, date of birth, any contact, phone number if I could reach you.
Sure.
Up to you if you want to give me a home address or not. I can search you up anyways. Just basic stuff. And then fair game, then you could ask me anything you want. Okay? Yeah,
So,
that's fair?
Yeah, sure.
Let me get your water first. Okay.
Thank you so
Bathroom?
much. No, I'm okay at the
You're
moment.
okay?
Yeah,
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay, I'll be right back, okay?
Thank you.
Where do you work or what do you do for a living?
I'm a hairdresser.
You're a hairdresser?
Yeah.
You have your own business?
Just independent. I was,
Yeah?
about
Okay.
to start mine, actually.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good for you. And how many years have you been doing hair? Like,
Well, I dropped out of high school when I was 15.
here in Miami?
No.
No? New Jersey?
New Jersey, yeah.
Mm.
When I was 15, so I'm...
What happened?
Over 20. My mom was, story, but my mom was very sick, had cancer 3 times, she couldn't work.
Mm.
I didn't go to school, I couldn't
Sorry to
really...
hear that.
Yeah, no, it's okay. There wasn't much money, so I had to, she was staying in school, we were making money
Yeah.
for her. We were on like food stamps and shit, so it's like...
So was I.
We
Your
just-
car is safe, okay?
Yeah.
Just want to let you know. So now, I have to ask
Fixed
you.
my wallet and stuff, it's all in there too, I just want...
Oh, I think the officer has it here. There's some stuff of yours outside, yeah. I have to ask you, don't get offended, okay?
Yeah.
Are you under the influences of any drugs or alcohol right now? I know I can see it, but I have to ask you.
Under the
So no drugs? This is Dasani water? Okay. Is it good? You like cold water? Hot?
Dasani's a
Fine.
tough one, but...
Yeah, what do you drink? Yes? Why? Sorry, you should have told me. What's Miami Police Department? I don't think I have many selections.
I appreciate anything, thank you. I'm just messing with you.
No bathroom yet?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Thank you.
So I have to say I treated you well and I gave you water, okay?
Yeah.
I don't have food, but I'm also hungry.
No, you're good.
Okay, so, yes, you're absolutely right. They detained you, okay? There are some allegations that someone made against you.
Just a question though. For the detaining, was it necessary to pull guns out on me?
It's a safety process, I'm sorry. It's our departmental orders. If they're going to detain someone in a vehicle, we don't know if you have any weapons. But that's a question you're more than welcome. Who's she?
Whatever that vehicle was, crashed into my car, so...
We take care of all of that. Don't worry about that. After that, you can sit down with my supervisor and we'll handle all that, okay?
Okay.
We don't just damage things just because and leave you like that. Don't worry about that.
A little,
I know it's a nice car. It's a beautiful car.
thank you very much.
In order for me to ask you any questions, you have to agree to talk to me. Then after we start talking, I tell you the allegations, and then you can ask me any questions you want.
Sure.
I don't like lying. I'm going to tell you the truth right now because I will tell you later on that I did tell you the truth. And I just want to know what's going on, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm not here to lie to you either. So yes, if there is a crime and we do talk about it and anything that the mom told me today, you agree to or you tell me, yes, that's exactly what happens, then I have to review everything that transpired between you guys, and then I will let you know what's going to happen after that, okay?
So am I staying here tonight?
I can't tell you that right now until we pass this, because I need to know what you're going to say to me, okay? Remember, one person has a story and the other person has another story.
Right.
This is the sexual battery unit, so we do have always adults, men and women, that come here and say something. It doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to believe everything unless there's something else to that, okay?
Right.
So again, it's all up to you. I'm not here to lie to you, to convince you to talk to me. You can talk to me, say, yes, detective, I want to talk to you, or no, detective, I don't want to talk to you today, and then I walk out, and then I gather everything, I talk to my supervisor, and then I make a decision, okay? Do you understand?
Just want to go home.
I want to go home too. You know how long I've been here? Since 5 in the morning. Okay. Do you wear glasses or anything? If I give you the form, can you read it out loud for me?
Sure.
Okay, and then at the end, it's question 1 and question 2, and then we'll see what we do, okay? I'll start from the top, and you need to read it out loud for me, okay? I need to make sure that you understand.
Do you want me to read it out loud?
Yes, please.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you can say will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before you ask any questions. You have the right to have an attorney with you during the questioning. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to you to represent before any questioning.
You stuck somewhere?
If you wish, sorry.
It's okay.
You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer it or make any statements.
And then this one, say it's yes or no. You
You understand that each of these rights I have explained to you.
Do you? Do you understand everything you
I
read?
do, yes.
Okay.
So if I'd like to have a lawyer here?
So if you do have a lawyer, we can, within a reasonable amount of time, yes, I can reach out and have him come. Within a reasonable amount of time, so that means that they could be available in the next hour. And can't keep you here for so many hours either, just like that. So, within a reasonable time. We are in downtown Miami.
I don't have one, but
You don't?
offhand, I would have to make calls.
Okay. It's up to you. You don't have to talk to me. If you want to talk to me, you can. If you don't want to talk to me, I'm not going to trick you with any questions.
No, I
It's
understand
just,
that.
I wanted to tell you what the allegations are, and then you could tell me what's going on. It's up to you.
Okay. But, so you're saying that I couldn't have a lawyer here? They would have to be here at a certain time, and I would have to...
If you have a lawyer that you want me to contact, like let's say, you know, John Paul, I
Right.
don't know, I'm just giving you a name.
No, I understand.
Then I could just look him up and call him, or I could bring you my work phone and you can call him.
Right.
And then it's up to John Paul if he's going to respond and be here with you. And then
Yeah,
if he says no, then it's up to you if you want to talk to me today or no.
So what do you mean if I want to talk to you today? If I don't want to talk to you today, then what happens?
Sir, I have questions to ask.
No,
you,
I'm
okay?
just
you.
exercising.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
just questions I need to ask you.
I understand that.
I can't just come and tell you, hey, they told me all of this.
No.
Are you going to talk to me, yes or no? I already
I
told you there are some serious allegations that a young lady reported in reference to her daughter.
Okay.
Something transpired today, they had an argument, and that's where they ended up coming over here, and that's where we are. Okay?
Okay.
And that's why
Sure, you
they
could
gave me
ask
your name, and then
Okay.
that's what happened.
Okay, you could ask me.
Huh?
You could ask me.
Then you gotta give me permission
sorry.
here. It's okay. So it's yes or no, and then you sign, and then I sign. And that's a yes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you check it? Thank you.
Yeah.
Witness. And just so we put the time and date. 7:30, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Mr. Pearl. So, this young mom came in today. Her name is Miss. Do you know who she is? And that's what I think at the end. That was different. Yes, she's 44 years old. She does have a daughter, okay? And apparently today they had an argument because the daughter was coming to meet with you, and the mom didn't approve of that. So I don't know if you guys had any plans to hang out. If she did mention to me that you guys have a hair appointment this week, I think, coming up. So the mom was, what she told me that she knew the hair appointment wasn't today, and that you don't pick up clients. So that's why she assumed the worst between you guys. And that's how everything started. Her daughter's name is... Are you familiar with her?
Yeah, I know who.
Okay, so how
Did I meet her?
Yes, how do you know her?
I guess it's her father's girlfriend's.
I never met a father. I don't know.
Yeah. So
it's the her father's
girlfriend's?
Girlfriend or girlfriend?
Sorry, yeah. Girlfriend.
Girlfriend? Okay.
Yeah.
They would be what, Miss?
No.
No?
No,
Somebody else. Do you remember who that person is?
Her name is. She was a client of mine, and then she introduced me to. Yeah.
And who's a child or an adult?
Adult.
Okay. Oh, that's right. She's the girlfriend. I don't
Of
know
the father.
I don't know much the family.
Yeah.
Like.
No, I understand that.
Girlfriend of father. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like her stepmom.
Right.
So she introduced you to a.
Right.
And then she became your client.
Yes, and then
Okay.
recently.
When was the first time you had her as
Over a
your client?
year ago, maybe.
Okay, over a year ago. Okay.
Yeah.
So over in approximately 1 year, she's been your client how many times?
Maybe 2 or 3 times.
Okay. So if you see a
don't-
picture of her, you would identify her.
Yes.
You would know who she is. And okay, so hair. What is it that you do? Like you cut hair?
I do
you
hair
style? You
hair color, style, yeah.
hair coloring, hair cutting, and hairstyles.
Yeah, I don't
Okay.
haircut, but I do hair color and styling, yeah.
Okay. And the mom said that she did drop her off one time. So you remember the mom or no?
Yes. She actually made an appointment with me.
Okay. When are you supposed to have her?
I don't remember when it
No?
was, but my assistant took the appointment.
Okay. So that's what's going on. So
Okay. Yeah.
what's going on with her? How do you communicate with her? What were the plans today? Why? Because she was crying, so I really,
Yeah.
it was hard for me to communicate with her. So what happened between you today?
Well, let's just start from the other day, the last time I
What-
saw her when the mom came in.
Okay. Right, because they mentioned that you did her hair recently, right?
Right, so I did her hair
Okay.
recently. She reached out to me saying, like, she had her hair messed up in Dubai and she wanted me to fix it.
Okay, so she did her hair in Dubai and was upset. I have to do my job
But
too.
calling them would do what for me?
I'm just saying, so they could be aware that you're getting arrested and they could help you when you're over there.
How-
I'm giving you that.
How could they help me?
Listen, I'm
I'm just
just
curious.
asking you if you want me to call someone.
No,
That's it. You're
no.
asking me questions I don't know the answer
No,
to.
no,
I don't know.
I'm not
I
trying
don't
to
work
argue
for the
with this.
jail,
I
honey. I
understand.
don't know.
I know, but I'm just.
And I've never been arrested, so I don't know.
I know. I'm
I
just.
don't know. I'm being honest. I don't know.
You know,
Usually,
let
what
me
I
ask
do
you-
is that if I'm getting arrested, and I tell my brother, hey, be ready. I'm gonna call you from jail, or hey, detective, get a phone number from my phone. I don't know my friend's number, and I could do that for you, but that's it. Like, I can't make arrangements for you. That's not, we don't offer that, okay? Do you need bathroom break? The faster I get out of here and do the paperwork, the faster all of this goes through.
Yeah.
Okay, and I want you to see a judge in the morning, okay?
So I'm gonna be there overnight.
Yeah, probably like a few hours. It's early hours, okay? It's a few hours. Okay?
A few hours. It's 7 o'clock.
No, it's not. It's almost 10 or 11.
Right now?
Mm-hmm. Okay? Do you need a bathroom break?
Please.
If you need more water, let me
If
know.
I need to call a friend, but what about if he doesn't answer?
We could leave a message, and then I could have him call me. No? No family member, anybody? Think, and I'm gonna come back and then tell me, detective, I know an email or name, okay? Again, I'm just offering, okay?
Thank you.
Because then when you get to the jail, you don't have a number to call because I have your phone. Okay?
Thanks.
You just need to be handcuffed to the front. Man, thank you, brother. Appreciate it. From New York?
I am in
What part of New York?
Brooklyn.
Brooklyn? What part of Brooklyn?
Bright Beach?
Ah. From Queens, Jamaica.
How can you just sit me in this room for hours, bro? What the bro? Freezing.
Right. Do me a favor, stand up for me for a second.
Freezing.
They're on the way to try to get you a blanket or something.
Thank you so much.
I know. Can you try to stand up? I don't know if that's
Oh,
allowed.
yes.
Just yeah. This is just for our record, okay? Just put your hands on and look straight ahead, okay? All right. Do you have any questions about where you're going, the jail?
Yeah, she was saying maybe I could try to contact someone.
Not from here, right? When you get to the jail, you're allowed to make as many calls as you want.
Yeah, but if I don't have the number, can I get a number?
Where do you want to get the number out of?
My phone?
Okay. Which one?
The black phone?
The black phone?
Please.
Okay. Give me a second, okay?
Yeah.
Sir, can you afford to hire an attorney?
I'm not sure how much an attorney would cost.
Well, do you own your home?
No, I don't.
All right.
I don't believe he qualifies.
Okay. You don't qualify. You have, do you have the financial means to hire an attorney?
It would be hard because I work on commission based. So
Do you have any savings?
not much, no.
All right. I'll appoint the public defender's office for you for purposes of this first appearance hearing, subject to financial verification. So I
Thank
need a
you.
moment to review the arrest affidavit for probable cause.
Yeah,
All right. I had a chance to review the arrest affidavit. So Ms. Baez, what, you want to say anything?
Yes, Your Honor. Based on the four corners of the A form, the state would be requesting an extremely elevated bond. This is a concern that we are having with regards to the defendant, both for the safety of the victim in this case. This is someone he has known since she was 13 years old. She is now 15, so he's at least known her for 2 years, knows her travels, knows her whereabouts. So we are concerned for the safety of the community, specifically the victim. We would be requesting an elevated bond in the amount of $500,000. with a GPS total lockdown component. Your Honor, the state is also concerned that this defendant is in fact a flight risk. As Your Honor mentioned before, he is originally from New Jersey, and it appears he has clients all over the United States. So it's our concern based on the information that we have that he does travel to do the hair and the hairstylist for, I guess, A-list celebrities. So it's our concern that he has the means to travel outside of the state of Florida, and
He's going to travel to cut hair
yes, Your Honor, in
or
places.
style hair. So how is that a danger to the community?
Well, considering that his clients can range from apparently 13-year-olds to whatever age, we are concerned that the same way that he was engaging in sending photos of his penis to this 13 or 15-year-old girl and attempting to pay her for sex or attempting to gift her items and also ask for sex, we are concerned that he may have other clients that are underage that unfortunately may be subjected to the same kind of behavior by this
I
defendant.
understand. Okay, thank you. Ms. Corey, did you want to say anything?
Judge, Mr. Pearl has no objection to only having adult clients. That's not an issue for him, Judge.